It's the 20th of November. The weather in the UK is starting to get really cold because we're approaching winter. But we still have a lot of chilies that are ready for harvesting. If we don't harvest them all today, the plant will start to mould and the chilies will rot.
I can already see the plants are moulding and they're starting to die off. So today we're going to harvest all the chilies. This big, tall chili plant here, we're going to trim it down, see if we can save it.
Dad, that's going to be hard to watch. This is a really tall plant.
This is one of our tallest chili plants this year. So we're going to chop it down and see if we can save it for next year.
Hello and assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
If you enjoy the types of videos that we make, you should consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we show you how to grow your vegetables, we show you how to cook your vegetables, and we show you how to enjoy life by travelling. So without further ado, Dad, let's start harvesting.
Let's start harvesting.
These are Carolina Reapers. They're the hottest chilies in the world. We are growing these chilies in this hydroponic planter, and mashallah, they have produced a lot of chilies.
Just to show you, we had great success growing this in water. All we did is just adding nutrient to it.
There we go.
I can see the roots are rotting now. Normally this root would look clear and white.
Yeah.
Like this is rotting. So the plant is moulding, it's dying. So we need to
harvest all the chilies from this plant.
And then, all right, let's harvest all the chilies, Akib.
Let me put this down.
So I don't know whether you can see this. So the plants.
It's moulding now.
They look devilish, don't they?
Yeah, they do. They are the devil, Dad.
They're really hot. How are you getting on, Akib?
I'm doing good, Dad. What about you?
I have a lot to harvest here.
Dad, that was hard work.
That was hard work. With my wife's help, we managed to harvest a lot of chilies. A lot of them, different varieties. We have Naga chilies, Trinidad Scorpion.
Carolina Reapers.
We have some of the hottest chilies in the world. We got about 10 different varieties here. Scotch bonnet.
Habanero chilies.
Habanero, Krishna chilies, green chilies, red chilies, plenty of chilies. Now, after harvesting all these chilies, we still have many more chilies to harvest. There's many more left. Now it's time to chop down this chili plant. This is one of our tallest chili plant here. We're going to chop it down, see if we can save it for next year.
Dad, before we do that, there's a few aubergines I could harvest.
Yeah, I think you should harvest those aubergines, yes.
Here you go, Dad.
All right, now.
Whoa, look at this one. One.
All right, so that's the last of our vegetables this year, 2021. And we're going to chop down this plant now. It has to be done. The plant will die off soon. It's nearly end of November.
Yeah, it's the 20th.
20th of November, and we're approaching winter. The night temperature is getting really cold. Even though the plant's still producing lots of chilies, I can see a lot of flowers, new blooms coming out. The plant's not going to survive. So the best way to save this plant, well, at least try to save this plant, is to chop it down and hope for the best. So let's chop this down, okay?
Dad, there's still many chilies here that are ready for harvesting. While you cut the plant, I will harvest these chilies.
Yeah, I think whatever chilies there are, harvest everything.
Yeah, I would harvest
that. Because I'm going to chop it down, so no, it's going to rot. If we don't chop it down, it's going to rot and it's going to have a lot of unwanted insects and fungus disease inside this greenhouse. So it needs to be done. We had a lot of fun this year. We have grown many chilies, many bottle gourds and many bitter gourd, snake gourd. Just in case you missed some of those harvesting videos, I think you should watch them. They're really entertaining videos and I'm sure you'll be inspired by them. We'll leave the link in the description down below.
Or you can click that eye up here and it will take you straight to that video. Whoa, it's all down now.
There's still so many chilies here. Alright, let me just chop this
You can just pull this one down, Dad.
There's a lot of chilies left, Akib.
Let me see. Oh wow, there is plenty chilies left.
Plenty, yeah. Okay, so let's just stop this down. Oh, still have plenty of chilies left on this one. And these are one of my favorite chilies. Alright, so I'm going to just keep them there so we don't lose these chilies. Alright, all done. I'm really looking forward to the next season.
Me too, Dad.
Starting all over again. And if you're growing chilies, it's best to start around January, especially if you live in UK or colder climates such as America, Canada, Europe. You need to start off your chilies early. It takes a while for them to come up in a colder climate. We still have many chilies to harvest, Akib.
Yes, Dad. We're gonna be here all day, I think.
Not all day, but a few hours.
Yeah.
A good few hours. I think I'm going to get your mum to do all this now.
Yeah.
So we have a garden work going on. Builders are working. Hopefully next week we'll show you the progress of the work.
Yeah.
What we have done.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like our videos. And please don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.